Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assessing the dent and paint. If paint is cracked, you'll need body filler later. Heat the area briefly to soften metal. Use a heat gun 2 to 3 inches away. Once warm, attach a suction or glue puller centered on the dent. Pull firmly and steadily. If the dent resists, alternate heating and pulling. Make sure to protect surrounding paint with tape and do small pulls rather than one hard yank to avoid creasing. You continue refinements by tapping from the inside with a rubber or nylon hammer while supporting the outer panel with a dolly. This straightens high spots without overstretching. Once largely flat, sand the area with 400-600 grit to remove minor imperfections and create a key for filler. Mix a thin layer of body filler and apply in one pass, then let it cure fully. Sand progressively with finer grits to blend the edges. Make sure transitions are smooth before priming to avoid visible ridges. You finish by applying a corrosion-resistant primer, then paint in thin overlapping coats until color matches. Allow proper flash times between coats. Once cured, wet sand with 1000 to 2000 grit to remove orange peel, then polish to restore gloss and seal with wax. If the dent springs back or shows tension lines, inspect inner supports and welds. Sometimes repeated pulling or replacing the panel is required.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.